This is the first in a series of videos to be used by students at California State University, Long Beach, taking CECS 2.1, which is our Digital Logic 1 class, from Mr. Ward. This video will provide supplemental information, hopefully useful when installing Xilinx 12.1 Webpack on your home PC. Well, let's begin. I'm running Windows 8 and Explorer 9, so I'm going to go up, and I recently visited the website, so I'm going to go to www.xilinx.com/support/download/index/htm. At that site, we will see the Xilinx download site. And if we look at it closely, over on the left where we have the orange on the far left, it says version. Here we see all the versions of Xilinx that are available, going from the newest version, 2012.4, all the way down. We're going to be looking at version 12.1, so we go down and we click on 12.1. And in the screen in the center, we'll see all the downloads available for this version. Now over here, it says the ISE Design Suite 12.1 full product installation, and on the right it shows what it includes. And if you go down, you'll see that it does include the ISE Webpack free. That's what we're looking for. We can choose the Windows platform or the Linux platform. I'm running 64-bit Windows 8, so I'm going to select the Windows platform, and it wants me to open up another window, so I push the Shift key and I get a new window. Here they want me to sign in. I already have a user ID and password, but if you don't have one, then you need to go over to the little place down here saying create account. Click on that. It'll ask you to input your name, your address, phone number, and then you'll create a user ID and password from that. Doesn't require a credit card, doesn't require anything else other than your name and address and phone number. Okay, I'm going to enter my user ID and password. And this will then verify my information. And then at the bottom, I will click on Next. And here, it will bring up at the bottom of the screen a box that says I can open it or I can save it. Well, I'm going to do a save as, and I'm going to tell it to save it to my folder, and I have an install folder where I store most stuff, and I have a Xilinx 12.1 install folder, so I'm going to install it there. And it will then start to download. It is a fairly large download, so it would take 20 or 30 minutes to download. So we'll stop now. We're back now. I'll come back, and my 2.9 gigabyte download is complete, and I have my tar or my compressed file saved in my Xilinx 12.1 folder. Now it is compressed, so we have to use a uncompressed program. I use PZIP, P-E-A-Z-I-P, which you can readily download for free and install on your computer. It works very simply. If I click it, we will then bring up a screen which shows the folder. I merely say extract all to, and I tell it where I'm going to extract it to. I guess I go down here and I'm going to extract it to, again, my install folder. Oops. Install folder where I have my 12.1 all set to go. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to extract that, and when that's done, we'll come back and continue on. Okay, we are back. We now have our unzipped Xilinx 12.1 Webpack installation folder all set to install. So I'm going to click it, and here I've got my tar, my archived file, and here I have my 12.1, but let's go here. And now we should be set to go. So now we're going to go down to X Setup and double click on that. And we're now going to go through the questions, allowing the program to make changes to our program, to our system. And it's looking good. It's coming up. Now we're going to tell it to go ahead and install it. We're going to go through a couple of screens of agreeing to the software license. I'll read these if you would like. And then I'm going to select the Xilinx Webpack at the top. Tell it to go next. I'm going to let it go ahead and install. Guess we don't need WebTalk. I'm going to go ahead and let it install everything just to make sure we've got it all. It's telling me I have enough disk space. It's going to set it up in the Xilinx directory 12.1. You may change that however you like. And just checking it. And now we're going to let it install. Now this is going to take a while, so once again I'm going to stop and come back in a few minutes. Don't go away. Okay, we are back and just about done. We're at 98%, and on the screen it popped up a pop-up window asking would we like to install this device software, which is for Jungle system devices. We do want to say yes. If we don't, it will shut down our installation. So we are now installing this. Once again, we're back, and now after just a few minutes, it's asked us to install the Xilinx device software. So we're going to once again click on that to install it. And we'll be right back. Okay, it's just been a couple minutes and we're back, and it says install completed. Congratulations, you have successfully installed Xilinx Xilinx Webpack. We're going to click finish, and there we have it.